Hello and welcome to another MyEdBC video tutorial on how to make a seating plan at SD48. So the first thing you can do is you can go to Pages or you can go to Attendance, but I'm just going to start in Pages and I'm going to click on Attendance. Then I'm going to click on Seating Chart and I'm going to go into Design Mode and I'm going to reset so that it starts. Now first of all, you can set the size. So I've got a really small class here. You can set this size to as number of rows as you want, and then you can either put them in individually, or you can just go alphabetical. I'd have to reset to do that. I usually just go alphabetical because I only mostly use them for the pictures. And then you can move them around if you want. And then what you do is you exit design mode. And you can take your attendance in this mode, but for what I use it for mostly is I just get a printer-friendly version, and then it's a PDF and I can print it. Or I can actually save this. Save as, and it's a PDF, where it's actually an HTML page. So then I can save it and I can keep it on hand. So that is how you do a seating chart in MyEdBC. Thanks for watching.